Alright guys, thanks for checking out Stormtopia.com, the Stormtopia.com Facebook page. We're going to have our daily weather update right now. Stormtopia.com is still in live storm coverage as a major storm continues to threaten portions of the Northeast. We're going to bring you the latest information on the storm and my thoughts in this video update. So let's take a look at the latest guidance here. I'll show you the GFS model, okay, and as we make our way out on through time here, alright, 48 hours. Here's the northern stream shortwave. Here's the southern stream shortwave. Troughs starting to go negative tilt. They phase around the North Carolina, South Carolina border, and here they start to get off to the northeast. And I just want to make this point here, guys. I was talking to my friends yesterday, okay, on video chat, but okay, guys, and I just made this interesting observation, and this is essentially my thinking. If it phases south of Atlanta, there's gonna be a storm for somebody, okay, a 6-inch plus storm for somebody. If it phases north of Atlanta, then you'll be hard pressed to see 6 inches. Okay, so here it is phasing south of Atlanta. Just plant that seed in your head. It's phasing off Savannah, okay, moves up the coast. It deepens, obviously. You are too far east to see much along the mid-Atlantic. It's just a 0Z GFS. Oh boy, I should probably move the map over. Hello. But, the thing is, the 6Z and 18Z runs of the GFS are not accurate, and the reason for that is they're not initialized with Rayobbe data, which means they're more likely to have a bias beyond 24 hours out. So I'm just using the 0Z run, because the 12Z isn't in yet. 0Z and 12Z are the only reliable ones. Slams New England with snow. We're talking about snow being measured possibly in feet for portions. And then we take a look at total QPF here on the GFS. Again, this is the 0Z run. And what we're talking about here is in the range of at least a foot for many areas of southeastern New England. Okay. And probably 6 to 12 inches for a lot of southern New England, 6 to 12 inches just offshore the Mid-Atlantic, and then 3 to 6 inches for much of the Mid-Atlantic on the 0Z GFS. I'll show you the European. Okay. Phases the storm kinda south of Wilmington, South Carolina, I'd say. Takes it off. Doesn't deepen it as fast, but it does deepen it. You get slammed on the Cape, and then you just get moderate snow inland for portions of southern New England. But I mean, you look at the QPF, guys, and just wow here, you're really not seeing a big storm at all for most of the Mid-Atlantic. I mean, this would just be a bust here. I mean, not technically, in my opinion, it wouldn't be a bust because I never said there'd be a big storm for the Mid-Atlantic, but you know, weather weenie lingo here, that it would be a major bust for the Mid-Atlantic. Still looking good though for the southern New England area. So that's basically what the latest guidance is showing. The NAM, just as a side note, the NAM continues to be offshore, but I do think it'll start to trend west. Okay. The UK Met is offshore. The JMA phases it quickly enough so that you see a quick hitter for parts of southeast New England. The UK Met is offshore. So that's all the guidance products there. Just as I've been putting out these snowfall maps here, guys, and here's my updated one as of, again, Friday. We're looking at 1 to 5 inches for the Mid-Atlantic coast. Okay. Probably closer to 1 inch, but we'll just see. Again, really not a great storm for a lot of the big cities. Storm moves off to the northeast. We see 5 to 10 inches. Once you get 495 back into Rhode Island, Montauk, okay, 5 to 10 inches east of there. And then even 10 to 15 inches for Plymouth County, Massachusetts, Barnstable County, Massachusetts, but not the Outer Cape. Now, I'm not worried about the Outer Cape going to rain, but the snow ratios are going to be like 7 to 1. So you're not going to be looking at a major snowfall event there. Probably just 5 to 10 inches, and then west you go back to 10 to 15, then probably 5 to 10 again around Brockton area. So that's what we're looking at for the storm right now. Hope you enjoyed this forecast video. Oh, one more graphic I forgot to show you, and Again, guys, you can view all these graphics on our website, stormtopia.com. Scroll down beneath the video. Okay, I put out this graphic yesterday looking at the best case scenario if the models shift west, if everything kind of changes west. We look at 1 to 5 inches west of the big cities, 5 to 10 for most of the big cities. Again, this is not my snowfall expectation. This is just a worst case, best case scenario. Best case if you're watching this video and you're a snow lover, and worst case if you don't like snow. Then 10 to 15 inches all the way from central Long Island back into eastern portions of southern New England. Then like 12, solid 1 to 2 feet for a lot of these areas. So that'd be definitely the best case scenario. But doesn't look like it's going to happen right now. Okay, this looks more likely. Again, I know my drawing is like a madman, but here we go. This seems the most likely. So again, you can view these on stormtopia.com, and please interact with our live chat. We can hear your live reports, your opinions on the storm, whatever. Keep it clean and about the storm, and have a great day.